Hey, I just thought I'd do a quick little Honda mower repair. Possible no start, no run symptom. I spent 30 or 45 minutes going through some Google searches, etc., the regular stuff, and looking at YouTube. A couple of YouTube videos on this Honda GCV. I have the mower. It's a GCV160 overhead valve, easy start, etc. Took it apart. Everything, appeared to be okay. I've done a little bit of this stuff in my time. But anyway, turns out the gas cap was not venting correctly. I removed the gas supply line from between the tank and the gas on-off valve, and no gas came out. I loosened the gas cap. Lo and behold, gas flowed out. So I'm going to clean that cap, and if I have another no start situation, that'll be the first thing I'll check. Just thought I'd throw this out there just in case it helps. Honda GCV 160 overhead valve easy start mower. This was purchased from Home Depot several years ago. All right, take care.